Welcome to D basic chords. Now, we have done C chords, we have done G chords, and now it's time for D chords. We're going to learn the D major and the D minor in this section. The reason, C had all white keys, G had all white keys, and D has one black key. The reason why it has a black key is because of the key signatures. Different key signatures have different notes to be played, as different set about sharps and flats. For example, C has 0 sharps or flats, G has 1 sharp, which is F sharp, and D has 2 sharps, which is F sharp and C sharp. And now when we play the D chord triad, it has the F sharp. Now, the way it's built, we already know, it's a full tone, half tone, full tone. And then we play the 1, 3, and the 5th degree, making it a major chord triad. We start with the D, which is the tonic, and we play the D triad. So go on your keyboard right now and play the D. Play it here, play it in another octave, play it higher, play it lower, play it all over the place. Now once you got the D triad down, now we could go up to the other inversions. So the first inversion is going to be the B bass, the D tonic, the bass chord, the fundamental. And then we're going to transfer D to this D, so we have these 3 notes. And we play it with our fingers 1, 2, and 5. The first one was 1, 3, and 5. This one is 1, 2, and 5. Just like that. And now we're going to move on to another higher step, which is going to be A, D, and F sharp. So, to wrap it up, it's going to be D, F sharp, A. Moving on to F sharp, A, D. And then A, D, F sharp. And we're going to end it with, again, D, F sharp, A. This is going to be 1 octave. And then we go down with D, F sharp, A. And then A, D, F sharp. F sharp, A, D. And then D, F sharp, A again. There we go. Practice with right hand going from up 1 octave and down. Excellent. Once your right hand is really confident in playing, you already memorized it, you know how to play it pretty good on your own. Now we're going to move on to your left hand, play the same thing. Same fingerings as the other chords. It's going to be 5, 3, 1 for D. And we're going to move it up. It's going to be, again, 5, 3, 1 at F sharp. And it's going to be 5, 2, 1 at A. And then move again to D. And then let's move down. G to A, to F sharp, and to G. Play with the left hand until you know it pretty well. Please feel free to pause the video or go back to know the positioning with the fingerings and how to do it. It's really important that you know where the notes are and how to play them correctly. Like I said in the earlier video, pretend nothing exists but these 3 notes. Pretend all the other notes don't work except these 3 notes. And these are the only 3 notes that you're allowed to press. Okay, now once you're done with the right hand and left hand, now we're going to put both hands together. So we're going to start with D, so D, F sharp, A. Okay, we're going to move to F sharp. This hand has the 2nd finger. Then we're going to move to A. This hand has the 2nd finger. And then we move again to D. And we move down from D to A to F sharp to D. Excellent. Practice with 2 hands, 1 octave, up and down. Excellent. Once you've done 1 octave with D major, 1 octave down pretty well, you know, pretty good. Now we're going to go for 4 octaves, 25 times up and down. Excellent. Once you've done it 25 times, now we can move on to the next chord, which is D minor. D minor is exactly the same thing as D major, except the third position moves down half a step. So in this case, F sharp is moved to F. Now it's D, F, and A. Same fingerings as the other chords, it's just one extra note that is a little altered. So we play D, F, A, we move on to F, A, D, and then A, D, F, and then again D, F, and A. And then let's go down. D to A to F and to D. Practice with the right hand until you feel pretty comfortable. Great. Now we're going to move on to the left hand. It's going to be the same fingerings, same notes, same thing. So let's start with D, F, and A. F and A, that's funny. So D, F, A. And we're going to move on to F, A, D. Then A, D, F. And then to D, F, A. And then we're going to go down. D to A to F and to D. Excellent. Practice with the left hand until you know it pretty well. Now we're going to put two hands together. So we start with D, move to F, move to A, and then to D. And now we go down to D, to A, to F, and to D. Excellent. Once one octave is complete, and you know by memory, you know how to do it without anyone's help, and you know where all the keys are, then we could go from down to up 4 octaves 25 times. That was the D major and the D minor chords of the basic section.